Hello, in this video we explore the various methods to access the Service Management container images. The container images are stored on the BMC Docker Trusted Registry, BMC DTR. On BMC DTR, the BMC Helix Platform Common Services images are located in the BMC/LP0LZ. BMC Helix Innovation Suite and Service Management images can be found in the component repositories in the BMC project. Accessing the images requires a relevant product license. Let's see how to access these images. You cannot directly download the images from containers.bmc.com. However, you can access the container images directly from BMC DTR, a local repository, or an air-gapped environment. To use the first method, configure the deployment pipeline to access images from BMC DTR. This approach requires a direct internet connection. The second method involves synchronizing container images to a local repository such as Harbor. This method is the preferred and recommended method. In this method, you create a local repository and synchronize it with BMC DTR, and configure your deployment pipeline to utilize these images. This ensures secure deployments without requiring direct internet connections. For an air-gapped environment with a secure network, use the third method to access images. Begin by synchronizing container images to a local repository. Next, transfer these images to a repository in an air-gapped environment. Finally, configure your deployment pipeline to utilize these images for a secure and isolated deployment. Service Management offers you the flexibility to access images directly from BMC DTR, from a local repository, or an air-gapped environment. For more information, please see our product documentation at docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching.